Hi everyone. I decided that I'm going to do a new series where I unbox my brand new shoes that I get and show you guys what they look like while they're in pristine condition. And I came to this conclusion because I think y'all like watching me unbox stuff, number one. Number two, oh my god, I have so many freaking shoes and so many that I've never even worn before. So thought I would just start opening them up and showing you guys what they are before I go stomping around in the mud in them. Not that I would do that. Well, I don't know. Not in these. Not in these. These are too cute. So, well, a little Towelie, South Park. So obviously we know these are South Park sneakers. They're the Campus 80s with the little Towelie. What? This is Adidas, South Park, that cool stuff. We got the paper. Look at that. We got Stan, we got Cartman, we got Kenny, we got Kyle. I'm a little sad we don't have any Towelie because, like, they are Towelie shoes, but still pretty freaking cool. Those smell brand new shoes. Alright, we'll start with the right shoe. Ew. So they're like terry cloth, and I'm guessing that's leather and whatever this is. And look at his little eyes. So I actually took these out of the box the other day, and I took him outside in the sun, and his eyes got all droopy and red, and he was like all high looking. It was so cute. I would show y'all that right now, but it's kind of nighttime, so don't really know how to turn his eyes into high without the sunlight. But oh my god, what? I just saw this. Okay, I had no idea what's going on. Like, I didn't even see that there was a little saying in there, but that's so cute. And then you go in there's like a stash for your weeds. Yo, you put your weeds in there. Cool. That's cool, or whatever you want to put in there. Alright, now let's look at the left shoe. Wait, let me put this one back first. Oh wait, oh, forgot to show y'all these two. They come with normal Towelie. Don't forget to bring a towel. That's what he says on the back. And he's all cute and normal. And then, hold on, there's one in here too, I think. And then there's a high Towelie. He's like, hey, you want to get high? What does he say? He says, I have no idea what's going on the back. Okay, cool. Oh, some tags. The little StockX tag there, because these have been sold out for quite some time and I wanted them. So, had to go get them on StockX. Basically the same layout as the other pair. The other shoe. Got Adidas and the little South Park font. Adidas, South Park. Got some more paper in there. Oh, don't forget to bring a towel. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh. And I just noticed too on the laces, they're white and yellow. So they're like, it's pretty detailed. This is a very, very nice, accurate Towelie shoe. I can't wait to go around and stomp in the mud. No, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to ruin them. But I will be wearing them out and about. And hopefully not getting them too dirty because they're just too goddamn cute. I like them. Pretty goddamn cool.